Y'all better like this because I paid for a 6-month subscription, so we in there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded a video, but it's finally getting colder and slowing down in North Carolina. The leaves are changing, the temperature's dropping, it's sweater weather. But with that means summer's fading, and our outside activities that the boys and I usually enjoy are coming to an end. Stuff like harness training that we would do in the sunshine or just hanging around in a travel cage, soaking up some vitamin D, are kind of kept to a minimum now that it's getting too cold for the boys to be outside. So that's left a huge hole in the boys' normal routine and schedule. So I thought, why not fill that with something fun and enriching and different and introduce some variety into the parent's life. That's exactly why I signed up for a pet subscription box. I have one for my dog, I have one for each of my 3 cats. As I'm saying this, I might have a problem with pet subscription boxes. So I thought, why not sign up one for the boys as well? So I got the medium-sized parrot Squawk Box, and I am so excited to open this today. It came about 2 weeks ago, I'm not gonna lie, it's been sitting on my shelf waiting for me to film this video. So the parrots have not seen this, I have not seen this. We're all super excited to get in and see what kind of tricks and treats are in this October Squawk Box. So I've got Rudy Roo here, and Bartley is up on the fridge in his favorite spot. So I'm gonna get them down on the counter and I'm gonna open this box and we're gonna see, yes, you baby, and we're gonna see how they like the box. Okay, we've got the boys rounded up. Okay, who's ready to, Shanny, back up. Who's ready to open up the Squawky Box? Bartley, are you excited? Hi, pretty boy. Rudy? Okie dokie. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's Halloween themed. I forgot. It's been sitting on the shelf so long. I forgot. It is the best month of the year, October. This will make great foraging paper, guys. Always thinking about that. Yeah, what do you think? Can we open up some stuff? What's in here? Oh my goodness. What is this? It's big. Is it scary? Is it scary? What do you think? Yeah, give it a little nibble. Okay, so we've got this cute little pumpkin toy. That is super cute. Let's see what else we got going on in here. Okay, I've got craziness going on. I've got one over here, I've got one over here. Let's see what else is in this box. Bartley is having no part of it, but Rudy loves a good toy. So let's take this out. Oh, I see treats. How about that, boys? Talon treats, pumpkin seed. Oh my gosh, what's this? I'm gonna have to open all these up on camera, but it looks like another toy. Oh, look at this toy. I'm gonna unwrap all this so you can see it, but I'm just gonna get this stuff out first. And what? This is so cool. Oh, Rudy's gonna love this one. Yeah. Yes, you want it? You want it? This is right up Rudy's alley with this soft kind of wicker paper, wicker wood, and then these shredded papers. Oh, he loves that. And then we got a bonus, because this was our first box, we got this bonus perch. It's a broom. I'm so excited to try this out. But yeah, let's unpackage all of this stuff and we'll see if any of it's a hit. Yes? Is it fun? Yes! You love your Squawk Box? You love your Squawk Box? Yes, you do! Now, I had some ulterior motives when I was purchasing this box. So the toys are what really sucked me in. Rudy is a huge toy bird. Like, he loves playing with toys and destroying things, which is awesome behavior. It's natural, encouraging behavior we want to see out of our parents. But Bartley, on the other hand, not so much. I can tell by his attitude that he's never really been positively reinforced or encouraged to play with toys. So he kind of takes an attitude like, I don't really care if it's there. So that makes his independent time very boring. So when he is the ultimate Velcro bird. When he is away from me, I want him to be able to entertain himself, which is why our goal is to teach him how to play with toys. I know that sounds weird because you think it would be something innate to a parrot, but some of our parrots, that does not come naturally to them. It is a taught behavior to play with toys. So we are going to use positive reinforcement, reinforcing with treats when he goes towards a toy, touches it with his beak, and slowly build on that to really get him comfortable playing with toys on his own time. Am I a real YouTuber yet? You guys see that? Oh God. So I kind of had a feeling I knew how this would go, right? I know my birds pretty well. I know their different personalities, and I had a feeling that the treats would be a hit with Bartley right off the bat, and I was not wrong. It's literally a zoo around here. Normally I use walnut to train Bartley, the tiny little pieces of a broken up walnut, because that's his high value reward treat. So that's what motivates him to do training and flight recalls and all that stuff. But I think I'm gonna switch it up this month because very appropriate. Switch it up to pumpkin seeds because he really seemed to like these. So I was super excited to get these in the box, and they definitely will go to use. Can y'all see Bartley? So the next item in the box that I was super excited about is this cute little kind of bucket and ball toy with this paper shredding. It's got all sorts of cool textures going on. I think the boys are really gonna like this, especially Rudy. The next toy we got is, again, I love these little wicker balls because Rudy absolutely shreds these. He loves these, and it's got a cute little Halloween bat, so I can't wait to deck out their play cages with all of this Halloween decor. It's gonna be so cute. It's gonna match the rest of the house when I finally get around to decorating for Halloween. But this material, it's a good variety of material, and it's perfect for my birds. Next, we've got this fun little guy. So it's a little pumpkin with these little paper and wooden tassels and wooden beads. So I don't know how likely Rudy is to play with this one specifically. It seemed a little scary to him, but you know, sometimes when you first introduce something to a bird, they can get a little spooked, and after they see it for a while, they'll want to engage and play with it. But I do know he loves wooden beads, so I'm very excited to see if he's going to chew on these and destroy them, because, say it with me guys, a destroyed toy is a loved toy. And then we've got this cute little pumpkin block with these little papers shoved into these almost like coconut shell things. I'm super excited for this one. I think this is gonna be awesome. I'm going to hang these up on the cage and see how they like them. And then we got this bonus broom because this was our first box, wasn't it, Rudy? This was our first box. We got this bonus little perch, and it's a cute little Halloween broom, so I'm really excited to put that up. It's so cute. So let's go over to the cages and put some of these up and see how they like it in their free independent time. I've just been sitting here watching Rudy go to town on these toys. Like, my living room opens up into the sunroom, and that's where their play cages are. And he seems to just be having the time of his life. So I think that the first Squawk Box was a success. So that being said, if you are interested in grabbing one of your own, I will link it down below. It is an affiliate link. I do get a small commission at no extra charge to you, so feel free to use it or don't. It's not going to hurt my feelings, but it's there if you want to try out a Squawk Box for your own little feathered baby, and hopefully they like it as much as Rudy loves his. I'll keep you guys updated on how Bartley's journey goes with toy training and all that. Hi, Janet. and all that. But thank you so much for watching, guys. You really are fantastic, each and every one of you. I'm so happy to be a part of this community, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!